Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into Samsung's latest mid-range contender, the Galaxy M35. With some solid upgrades over its predecessor, this device is set to grab attention in 2025. Let's break it down and see what makes it stand out. Starting with the design, Samsung has given the M35 a sleek modern look with a glass front and a matte finish plastic back for better grip. The device is slim and lightweight, making it easy to hold. The camera module follows Samsung's signature vertical lens alignment, giving it a premium feel. It comes in multiple color options, so you can pick the one that matches your style. Now let's talk about the display. Samsung has packed a high refresh rate AMOLED panel with vibrant colors and deep blacks. The screen size is generous, offering an immersive experience whether you are gaming, watching videos, or just browsing. The brightness levels ensure great outdoor visibility, and the minimal bezels give it a more modern edge. Under the hood, the Galaxy M35 is powered by a capable processor that can handle everyday tasks and multitasking with ease. Whether you are switching between apps, playing graphic-intensive games, or streaming content, the performance remains smooth. The RAM and storage options ensure you have enough space for all your needs, with the option to expand it via microSD. Battery life is another strong point for the M series, and the M35 does not disappoint. With a high-capacity battery, you can easily get through a full day of heavy usage. Fast charging support means you can quickly top up your battery when needed, so you are never stuck with a dead phone. Now let's check out the cameras. Samsung has equipped the M35 with a multi-lens rear setup designed to capture sharp and detailed images. The main sensor delivers great low-light performance, while the ultra-wide lens lets you capture expansive shots. The macro and depth sensors add versatility to your photography. On the front, the high-resolution selfie camera ensures clear and vibrant self-portraits and video calls. Software plays a key role in the user experience, and the M35 runs on the latest version of Samsung's custom UI over Android. You get smooth animations, customization options, and useful features that enhance productivity. Samsung also promises regular updates, ensuring security and performance improvements over time. Other notable features include an in-display fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking, stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience, and 5G connectivity for faster internet speeds. Samsung has also kept the headphone jack, which is great news for those who still prefer wired audio. So is the Galaxy M35 worth it? If you are looking for a reliable mid-range phone with a great display, solid battery life, and capable cameras, this one is definitely worth considering. Samsung continues to refine its M series, making it a strong competitor in the budget-friendly segment. That wraps up today's video. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy M35. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smartphone reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching FK iPhone, and we will see you in the next one. Your script is ready? Let me know if you'd like any tweaks or additional details.